Hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name should remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes. I'm the founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah. So I welcome you all to a new episode on my humble and noble platform. You know how we do over here. We talk about how to make money online through tech. Yeah. So today I'm here to introduce a new mining platform to you. I've already done a video about this platform, and I want to show you how you can withdraw your airdrops and how you can also upgrade your machine so that you can mine more airdrops. Yeah. So when you open it, I will leave the link in the description. But disclaimer, I'm not a financial coach. I'm just like you. We all love making money online. So I've done research about this platform. That's why I'm doing videos about it. You can also do the same thing and you click on the link in the description and join and also mine your Binance Moby Airdrop. Yeah. So when you open it, it will take you to the Telegram for you to play the game now. Yeah. So when you open it, you can go to mine here and come down. You can even click on check-in every day to get 50 Moby Airdrop. You can follow them on Telegram to get 100 airdrops. Yeah. And you can also join the lucky draw. The lucky draw too. You can also join like by let's say spending so you can also join this thing. It's part of it. Yeah. So after mining your USDT, after mining your Moby, yeah, you go to your me here. So me here, then you go to Moby and USDT. So this is where you exchange your Moby to USDT. So you click on the all, then you exchange the Moby to USDT. So let's click on confirm. So you can minimum conversion is 2,000 plus. Yeah, but I've already convert 1.2912 USDT. Yeah. So after converting it, if you want to withdraw, you will click on the withdraw here. Then the withdraw, you enter the wallet you want to withdraw through it, the amount, and after it you confirm. But the minimum withdrawal is 5 USDT. Yeah. And I will say that I'm in the Moby Miner 1. So if you want to upgrade it, you can click on the recharge here. Then you recharge it through your TRC USDT or the Tron BIP2 USDT, and you can copy your address here. Then you put money inside. Then you come to your upgrade to upgrade your miner. So you can buy the accelerator you want, and the higher the accelerator, the higher the daily output. So if you buy the accelerator card 3, you'll be getting 25,200,000 and something Moby every day. You see, yeah. And the accelerator card 1 will cost you 15 USDT, and every day you'll be earning 6,300 Moby. You see that thing? So this Moby will help you get more USDT. Yeah. And it also will boost your mining speed. Yeah. Because me right now, I'm in the Moby 1. So if I come to my miner, it always starts from 23 hours. So the higher you buy the accelerator, the higher the speed, then the time will be declining. That's how it is. Yeah. So when you're done, and this the mining, you can even cut it close anyhow. But when you open it, you'll still see that it's still mining. Yeah. So it's not necessary that you open it like this. Now you can cut it and still open it. It will still continue mining for you. Yeah. Yeah. So after everything, you can exchange your Moby to USDT and you withdraw it. Yeah. And this is the mining tool. And if you want to go to the upgrade, so this is the upgrade. That's me. I'm in the Moby. I'm the Moby Miner 1. So you can upgrade to Moby Miner 2. So let me see the amount of money I have in my wallet. So if I can upgrade to, I have 1,068. I want to upgrade to Moby Miner 2, the price is 1,400. In this one, the miner, you use the Binance Moby Airdrop to upgrade the miner. But the tools is where you use USDT or the Tetra to buy it, and this one too will help you get more coins every day. But this one will also help you to get like small mining speed. But this one you use the Moby miner with the Moby airdrop to purchase the miner. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, so I'll leave the link in the description in case you want to join and also want to mine some free airdrops and cash out, exchange into USDT and cash out. Thank you for watching me.